Realme launched two new mid-range smartphones in India called Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus. Both of this device looks identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Realme 13 Pro Plus is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme 13 Pro Plus smartphone. The Realme 13 Pro Plus features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Realme 13 Pro Plus sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony LYT701 sensor, plus another 50-megapixel periscope lens, with up to 3x optical zoom support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, based on Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.34 by 73.91 by 8.23 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 32,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 34,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 36,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in emerald green and Monet gold color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from August 6th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.